Botched plastic surgeries, the horror stories you have to see to believe.
I'm damaged, I'm injured, I feel butchered.
Lights, camera, access.
They were like kind of sagging, they were irregular shaped, like, you know, one was bigger than the other.
Tara Reid's stunning admission to having undergone a breast implant procedure that left her disfigured helped raise public awareness of this medical nightmare. So how widespread are botched plastic surgeries? We examine this as our Makeover Nation Week continues.
I think that it's too scary that when you get a bad job.
You can get a facelift, an eyelid tuck,
chin implant, liposuction of the face.
The back, the arms, the legs.
Breast augmentation is very common. Ear surgery, nose surgery, rhinoplasty surgery.
With all the options, there's plenty of room for mistakes.
It is a constant pain. It's kind of like a numbness. And from this side of my nose all the way over here is still numb.
Meet James Bowers, more than 2 years after receiving an extreme makeover where he met his wife Casey, who was pleased with her results. James is still experiencing pain.
My right cheek implant slipped, so now it's resting on a nerve, so it's kind of painful.
After also receiving a nose job, chin implant, and dental work, James blames the doctor, not the show, for the mistake and wants it fixed.
I don't care if he just takes them out, but unfortunately I think if he takes them out, I'm going to have droopy skin. Because, I mean, they're pretty large. I mean, they're the size of a silver dollar.
Well, if you look real closely, you can see them. I mean, this whole area here is cheek implant.
I'm damaged, I'm injured, I feel butchered.
This is the scar that 40-year-old Monica now has after a routine C-section scar removal, and here is the original scar.
My girlfriends have cried when they've seen it. My daughter doesn't want to have babies because she doesn't want to be ugly like me when she grows up. It's been very, very difficult emotionally.
About half of my plastic surgery is fixing other plastic surgery. So, are we ready?
We're ready.
Dr. Gary Motykie consults with Monica, decides to refine her scar and contour her waist, and goes to work for 6 long hours.
I'm doing some liposuction to bring in that waistline.
And almost 3 weeks later, a less scarred, flatter-bellied Monica checks back in.
It's a difficult thing to have to go through, something that's botched, but luckily, in the end, for me, it's ending well.